Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on this arrow in the right upper corner to open more options. And as you can see here, we've got this crossed-out icon, the second option from the left, which is connected with the timer. So let's simply tap on it. And in this device, we've got three different options. So off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose maybe 10 seconds delay, just tap on the specific option. Here we've got the information. Moreover, this icon is highlighted and it shows 10 seconds, which means that it has been applied. Moreover, at the top on this, let's say, status bar, we've got the timer icon, thanks to which we can quickly check whether we've got the timer set or not. So now all we have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. All right, that wasn't the sound from the camera. All right, so we can also tap on this icon to quickly turn off the timer. As you can see, we had the information, and the timer icon will completely disappear, which means that we cannot really right now change the timer here. We have to still open the options. So now all you have to do is to tap on the shutter button. As you can see, we've got I would say an additional timer, which is right here, and I believe it is connected with an iLight or something like that. If you wish to turn it off, just tap on it, and now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.